Welcome back to the channel, and today we have an update on the Amz Doge situation. So remember the normal disclaimer here that nothing is financial advice. Please always do your own research and only invest what you are willing to lose. First off, I want to say hi to everyone who has recently subscribed to the channel. Again, I will be keeping you guys up to date with this whole Amz Doge situation. Again, I have lost funds in this as well, so fingers crossed we can all get that back. So, if we look at the media, there have been no new posts, of course, since the original Amz Doge financial situation post, which I want to say this came out on the 15th or 16th of February. So it has been 5 or 6 days of radio silence. Again, this plan to allow people to start withdrawing from February 17th has not come to fruition yet. Again, let me know down below if you have or haven't received your withdrawal. Again, if I go over to my withdrawals here, it is still awaiting review. However, we have, I don't know if it's good or bad news today, but at least we have something to look at. So I'm just going to dive straight into the good stuff. There's this wallet, which I have been tracking in the previous videos. Again, it's linked down below. This is the wallet that pretty much has been holding all of the funds on the Ethereum network. Again, I'm sure there's a Tron one with the Tron funds in it, but I couldn't actually find that. But this was the Ethereum wallet. We can see all of these inbound transactions were pretty much Amz Doge had hundreds of separate wallets for deposits and withdrawals, and all of the funds got moved to this wallet, which was totaled at around 1.4 million USDT. However, as you can see, 12 hours and 54 minutes ago, there were 2 out transactions to 2 separate wallets. And if we open up these 2 wallets here, we can see the funds are just sat. They've transferred, there was another transfer from a separate third wallet, which this one, of course, must have received more. You see 6 days ago, it received, $41,000 there. And then it sent out 130,000 to 2 wallets as well, which are these 2 wallets. So it now looks like Amz Doge have split their funds into 2 wallets. Here we can see they both have $862,000 in. And yeah, both of them just got their first transactions 13 hours ago. That's it. They're literally just holding the USDT. So it comes to, I guess, thinking why have they done this and what are they trying to do? Because we can see both of them received 130,000 from this 5.9 wallet. Then they got $400 from this, I guess, third wallet. This one must have been a smaller one. Yeah, we can see it didn't have, it still had funds, but not as much. And then they both received 731,000 from the large wallet we had been tracking. So these are the 2 wallets, I guess, to watch now, what they're going to be doing with the funds. Again, it's hard to really, of course, they received some ETH 13 hours ago from this wallet. What is this wallet from, if I can track this one? This just looks like a standard wallet, just like some guy. So maybe this could, oh no, I guess it is one of the Amz Doge wallets. It's hard to really tell, but we have 2 wallets now to track, both of them with $862,000 in. So that's, with the 62, we're at 1.72 million on just the Ethereum network in funds. But the funds moving kind of begs the question, are they moving the funds to try and split them out and then take it for themselves? I guess that's the down or the negative view. Or the good view is they move them and then they can start paying the withdrawals. Because of course, my withdrawal was on the Ethereum network. And yeah, it's still waiting review. We haven't heard anything from Amz Doge, but at least something was happening. Because the past 2 days, we haven't heard anything. No funds have moved. It kind of just seemed like it was kind of a bit dead in a sense. But it seems like they've moved the funds to a new wallet. It's split into 2, which I think is kind of better than it all in one wallet, but who knows. And yeah, I guess I'll keep you guys up to date. there are any more transfers between these wallets, but we have 2 wallets we are now tracking. If we take a look at the Amz Doge website, we can see there is pretty much nothing on here at all. They of course have an email, which I doubt they'll probably answer if you send them an email, but you can give it a go. They also, if we look at the About Us section, we have, of course, there's the company details. So Amz Doge PDF, what's this one? This is going over the company with their business licenses. So that's another thing. Of course, I guess they could have tried to get someone else to set up the companies, but Amz Doge is actually a registered company. So again, this is just based in the UK through Companies House. We can see Amz Doge Financial Services Limited with their company number, incorporated on the 23rd of September. Again, this was the Amz Doge launch time was in September last year. First accounts made up will be due later, and we have the nature of business. So by the looks of it, of course, we have Amz Doge, 3 officers with 1 resignation. And I see the current officers. We have One Step CS Limited and Jason Christian, company director, who is American. Well, and then now living in the UK. So by the sounds of it, we have a guy behind Amz Doge. I know, yeah, they can't really run off with the funds that easily. It's not like, well, he's not technically doxed, but if the Amz Doge certificates are real and he was the guy behind it, then of course we have the person, which is very good to see. In terms of looking on Twitter, there haven't really been too many updates. There's a lot of people trying to scam, which you should watch out for. So for example, this person here, if you're having withdrawal issues, please message me, I'll find you a way. All of this, again, they've been tweeting loads. People can't get the funds out of the platform. If they're claiming they can, they are just trying to use you for funds. So do not message anybody privately trying to get them to help your funds back. If no one can get them, some random person on Twitter, I don't think is going to be able to. Like this guy here. Let me show you how to withdraw the whole 100%. Like, no, you can't. And yeah, that's about it really for the updates. If you actually look at the Amz Doge TripAdvisor, of course, we're getting some one low review. Can I sort by most recent? I'm sure we'll see a lot more 1 stars, yeah, because of course you can't get your funds out currently. I don't know about some of these because I know the whole panic and stuff situation. Maybe it is just panic and the withdrawals will get paid, but there's been no updates. They said the 17th, it's the 20th now, and no one's received a withdrawal. But I will keep you guys up to date with any more details regarding the Amz Doge, probably every single day. I feel like the key thing is watching these 2 wallets with the 800,000 in to see what happens regarding these 2. And if anyone has the Tron wallet, maybe drop it in the comment section down below so we can start tracking that one as well. But thank you all for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.